What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another one. With 2023 starting tomorrow, there's never been a better time to start a YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to start a YouTube channel for the first time. So stick around. Welcome back to another video, guys. I can't express how excited I am to be able to walk you through step by step starting your very first YouTube channel. I could talk and talk about how much I enjoy making videos or how much I'm learning continuously to improve my content, but I think it's better off we just jump into my computer, start your YouTube channel, and begin your rewarding journey so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So without any longer, let's jump into my computer and make your first YouTube channel. Now that we're on my computer, what you're going to want to do is go to youtube.com. From there, you're going to go to the top right corner here, sign in. And here we're going to put in our personal information, email address. If you don't already have a Google email address, go to create a new Gmail address instead. So now it's going to let you know if it's already taken. So if we try this is the email address that I'm currently using. So it's letting me know it's already taken, and it does give you more options down here. So we'll just add a 2 behind that. Okay, so now you're going to enter your password down here, and then from there we're going to click next. All right, so now you got the option if you want to put your phone number in there, your recovery email address, which is optional, and then enter our date of birth. Perfect. Gender. And then from here, and we're going to click next. And that scroll down, and at the bottom here, you're going to see I agree. Click that. And there we go. Now we're able to like videos, get recommended videos, comment on videos, and things like that. But what we want is to be able to post videos, which we don't have a YouTube channel yet. We just have a YouTube account. So we're going to click up here in the top right corner where it shows the J. And then we're going to go to create a channel, which is this one right here. All right, guys. So now that we're here, we're going to add in our name. So we will just do first name, last name. Well, I'm just going to do my first name and last name, a little bit different than my other channel. Then at Johnny Mitchum 12. Perfect. So the handle is just an easier way for people to find us. So now go to create. Perfect. And here we go. So now we actually have a YouTube channel. But yeah, it's that simple, guys. If you got any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.